This apartment price jumped to $120 within 4 months. That's 43% annualized. Come with me as I show you a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in the Panoma 2 with a view of the Han River. It's got a nice little work area, some closet space. Could be a good hack. These closets usually smell, but they put some hygiene pack in here. If you're getting value from this video, please give me a subscribe on YouTube. I show you the real cost of living in Da Nang, and I have multiple apartment tours on my YouTube channel. It's a nice view. It's a nice bed, very spacious. This view of the river. Beach side there. Let's see the balcony. It's a beautiful view here. You got Marble Mountain there in the background. Cham Island there to the left. It's a nice view. Kitchen space. So the bathroom looks like you can hear the construction noise, of course. Brand new fridge. Nice little freezer. It's bigger than mine. Yeah, beautiful space. You can tell there's lots of space here. You can get a full table and have some extra space there. This is where the window is. There's lots of space there too. It's got an AC here, of course. Construction noise up above. This is pretty nice. This is a nice view. We actually got in here because my realtor Fong, she wanted to show some of her possible tenants my apartment, to show them what the Panoma was like, and we got lucky. They also had this to tour as well. So this is it. You don't need $6,000 to live well. Subscribe if you're ready to escape and live better at a fraction of the cost.